Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Mashvisor for rental property analytics easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Mashvisor and hit enter. Once the Mashvisor website loads, look for the sign up button located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see a form requesting your email address and password. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password and input it in the appropriate box. After filling out the form, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Now, click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Mashvisor website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill out the required payment details and check for accuracy. After verifying your information, click on the Complete Purchase button. Your subscription will now be activated, granting you access to rental property analytics. Feel free to explore the various tools and insights available on the platform. If you have any questions or need further assistance, refer to the support section of the website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.